This has been the most incredible sunset I have ever seen in my life. Hey guys, so we're here at the bus stop, or I guess where we start the bus to Uyuni Salt Flats.
Because it's an overnight bus, so we gotta wait until 8:30 because the bus leaves at 9 p.m.
How many hours?
I don't know, it's a whole night. So we're gonna be traveling the whole night. Hopefully we can get some sleep.
It's around a 9-hour trip, so we're going to go there, get there in the morning, do the day tour, and then come back overnight again. So it's gonna be a long trip. We'll see how it goes. We are on the way to the bus.
It's gonna be a long night.
Yeah. Seats 4 and 5. What you got?
Blankets,
Okay.
pillows. If I don't want to talk to Tom. But we do have the stairs right there for the bathroom, so that's good.
Yeah.
We also have something to put our seats here, and then we just recline and we sleep.
Nice.
If we want to have a table, we use these like that.
Oh, jeez, don't break anything.
We do this, and we put it here. And then we have a table. We are 30 minutes away, and we stopped for breakfast and to chill a little bit, I think.
I had a ham and cheese sandwich and a juice. And I got probably around 2 hours of sleep last night combined. It's been,
Coffee.
yeah, we got a long day ahead of us, so we're gonna need some coffee for sure. We just got dropped off at the Toto Turismo office and heading to the bus terminal because that's where our tour will pick us up at. How did you sleep on the bus?
Sleep? What is that? I don't think I ever slept.
Yeah.
Probably an hour here and there, but it was brutal. Hopefully we're gonna be tired enough tonight to actually sleep.
Sleep, yeah. But now it's a 10-minute walk to the bus terminal. It's a little dusty here. Are you cold? You look like you just woke up. We're at the terminal. Okay, we are actually meeting at their office and going from there. It's surprisingly very cold here. Every time we get in the shade, I'm just like shivering.
Today we booked a full day tour with Salar Camel. It starts at 10:30 a.m. and we will be back at 8:30 p.m. It's a 6-people tour. I think they're gonna put them all on one of the 4x4s. We booked the Spanish tour because it was the cheapest one. So let's see how Fallon does with that. The tour is gonna include lunch. It's gonna include some beverages and even a wine bottle. And it's also going to take us to, I think, 4 different places, including the Salt Hotel and the train cemetery.
Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started.
So we just made it to the train cemetery, and it's not clearly what we expected. Now, it is interesting, but it's packed with people. I'm gonna show you around and tell you why there's the cemetery. So pretty much what happened was Bolivia, probably 150 years ago, they used to have a lot of steam trains from England. But they all went bad, of course, after so many years of use. And to rebuild them or to fix them, it was so expensive for the government of Bolivia. So what they did was they gathered all the trains that they had and they put it in this same spot. The other thing they were talking about was that it's really good steel because it's thick steel due to the pressures for the steam. So at the beginning they were coming here and like scavenging the steel, but at some point they stopped doing that because these trains are part of the history of Bolivia, because they help winning a fight or at least support a fight they had with Argentina at some point. But we're gonna show you around. Let's see if we can count how many trains do we have and maybe get some cool shots. And
they said they're thinking about closing this down, the Bolivian government, because at night you can just come here and people can steal the steel. If you want to visit, I suggest do it soon.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna count them all, and then at the end I'm gonna let you know how many steam trains there are. All right, so we are currently at the top of a train. Look at that. And Fallon climbed it all the way here.
It was kind of
She's
scary.
a little bit scary, that's why she's holding that.
I'm holding on. I don't trust myself. It's very crowded here. There's a lot of people. But our tour guide said we have 40 minutes to explore, so that I think is plenty of time to explore, take your photos, ask questions, learn about the history, and just roam around.
Well, I think we pretty much explore everything. Well, my overall take of all of these is we are in the middle of a desert and we have a bunch of old trains with a lot of history, which is kind of cool, especially because I do like some engineering stuff like that, especially the relics and trains. So I did enjoy it. If you tell me, is it something everybody like? Probably not. You can get cool shots and explore and try to imagine how these things were back working. I don't know. The thing is, I think it's cool, but not that cool.
I think it definitely has a Mad Max vibe here. The desert with the dust and dirt and I guess ruined the ruins of the trains. It makes it feel like very Mad Maxy. That's what I thought of. There's a tiny train coming. We have now arrived in Salar de Uyuni. It seems like we all follow the same path. This is like a market street that you can buy ponchos, hats, scarves, whatever you need for cool pictures at the Salt Flats. At this stop in the Uyuni Salt Flats, we learned just how important salt is to the region. The buildings here are made entirely from salt bricks, each one surprisingly heavy. We also saw how the salt is ground down and mixed with iodine for health benefits before being packaged using fire to seal the bags. It's a simple yet fascinating process that turns this vast white landscape into an essential resource for the local communities. Now we're headed to the Salt Flats. grabbed a few snacks, some chips, and a soda. I think they do lunch late because they want you to buy snacks, and we did.
Wait, open it.
Whoa. Wow. Our guide had us close our eyes as we drove onto the salt flats. When he finally said open, the sight was unreal. Miles and miles of a perfect mirror stretching to the horizon. Uyuni is the largest salt flat in the world, covering over 10,000 square kilometers. It was once a prehistoric lake, but now it's a breathtaking expanse of salt that creates a stunning reflection after rain. And it's not just beautiful. These flats hold the world's largest lithium reserves, making them as valuable as they are mesmerizing. Guys, we have arrived.
To the salt flat.
Yes! And it's
amazing. Well,
And-
let me tell you about this place. It's right now, because it's full of water, it's like a huge mirror. And it's cold. It's not that hot here, even though the reflection is hard.
We're very lucky this year. It's the end of March, but any other year this would be completely dry. But rainy season was late this year, so now we have that mirror effect. We've been to the Salt Lake, Utah flats, and this is just on a much bigger scale.
Yeah. So what we have here is the Rally Dakar Bolivia monument, or statue, pretty much. That's a rally race that there's several places across the world. Bolivia is one of them. And I don't know if they start here or they finish here, but that's the monument of that important race.
Now we're heading to the flags, all of the flags. Let's see if we find Venezuela. Oh, I think I see it. Oh, here we go. Yay! We have Venezuela. That lunch was actually pretty good. I've had a couple glasses of wine, so I'm a little happier now. No, I was happy to begin with. This might be the wine talking, but this place is so magical. It's crazy, the mirror effect it has right now with the water. I'm super glad that we came during this time where it has rained a lot, because I think it makes it that much better. You can't even tell the difference between the ground and the sky. It merges together. As the day came to an end and we headed back, we knew we had just collected memories that would last a lifetime. From hilarious perspective photos with new friends to 100 more videos filling our camera rolls. This experience left us with an even greater appreciation for the beauty nature can create. Now it's party time! We're having more wine. This my wine dance. That's his wine dance.
We have un tinto clásico de Bolivia.
That's the one we had before. It was very good. This is
Chicharrón.
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 How is the sunset?
Unique.
Unique. This has been the most incredible sunset I have ever seen in my life. I'm not exaggerating.
We go back to La Paz. Tired.
Very tired. It was a great day though. After a long 10-hour bus ride and a taxi back to our hotel, exhaustion finally set in. And just like that, it was off to bed, ready to rest, recharge, and wake up to whatever adventure came next. If you're enjoying the journey with us, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming adventures. Thanks for watching.